make candy cane friends!
Hi, Rudolph.
Hi, Dancer.
We have to go to the North Pole to see Santa.
It's Christmas Eve. Let's go!
We made candy cane friends.
We're going to show you how to make them so you can play too.
First, you need a lot of candy canes.
You want to keep them in the wrapper so they don't get sticky.
And then you decorate.
We're going to use pipe cleaners to make the antlers. First, twist it around the candy cane.
You wrap the pipe cleaner right about where the hook starts.
Next, shape the antlers. So you're kind of twisting the pipe cleaner around your finger.
It's going to make curly antlers.
There, I have my antlers.
Me too. If it gets a little bent, it's okay because you just can position it where you want it.
Yeah, you just bend it back into place.
And then you make the reindeer's face.
We're using googly eyes, but you can use anything from buttons to pom-poms.
I'm using some sticky eyes. You just peel one off and you stick it right on the curve of the candy cane.
You want to put them on the sides of the candy cane. There, my eyes are done.
Then you can add a nose.
You're going to need some tape and some pom-poms. If you use double-sided tape, it makes it easier.
I'm wrapping the tape around the candy cane right where it's about to end.
I'm using a red pom-pom, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
And I'm using a pink one.
Once you're done making your candy cane friends, you can put on a candy cane puppet show for your whole family. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
These can make great Christmas decorations and gifts.
And that's how you make candy cane friends. Touch here for more great videos. Come on, come play with us. Or touch here to subscribe.